of course, you can always start up with a blank document, but if you want to speed up your work, then you may want to use templates right here. And you see a bunch of templates right over here, like letter, resume, and project proposal, and so forth. But if you want to view more, you simply click on the template gallery right here, and it expands out the template gallery. So you have more options for resumes, as you can see, for letters, for personal, even like recipe and pet resume, as you can see right here, and even work-related stuff like brochures, like brochure geometric, there's like consulting agreement, and so forth, just like that. You also have sales details right here, sales document, legal documents, human resource, freelancer, and a lot of things, as you can see right here, like essay, like lesson plan, and so forth. So in order to use one of these, you simply go ahead and then click on it. So I'm going to use the Modern Writer brochure right here. Simply click on it, and then it'll load up that template in Google Docs, just like this. So everything will be loaded, and one of the great things is that it is automatically saved. So I can simply go over here and type in brochure tube right here, and then you can start editing this. So let's say I'm just going to type in tutor, and then over here, this is tube. And then I can go over here, lessons at your convenience. So I can just type in ahead, as you can see right here, and immediately the design is mine, just like that. So I can go down right over here, and then I can replace out pictures and everything, replace out the text, and you can see that the layout is very, very simple and editable. And in the further lessons, we're going to see on how we can work with each and every one of these items like pictures, text, and everything else. So that is how you can work with templates and start editing your templates inside of Google Docs. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.